Ensure that the correct nozzle size is selected for the application. Using the correct startup procedure, light the torch on the oxy-acetylene set and set the correct flame. Mixed gases emerge through the nozzle at the end of the torch to produce an oxy-acetylene flame. The oxy-acetylene flame heats the metal to be welded where the two pieces join. This area is called the weld joint. When the weld joint reaches the melting temperature of the metal, the edges of the base metal melt and fuse together. The process is referred to as fusion welding. The molten metal is forced to flow together by proper manipulation of the welding torch. This is called autogenous welding. As the flame is moved along, the molten metal solidifies behind it. The two pieces of metal form one homogeneous mass through the use of controlled heat input. Depending on the joint configuration, a filler material may need to be added. Adding a filler material is highly recommended for the required strength. For most joints, a filler rod is melted off into the weld pool to provide the necessary cross-sectional strength in the welded joint. The filler rod melts at a temperature close to that of the base metal. Once the job is completed, use the correct shutdown procedure when shutting down the oxy-acetylene set.